Hi everybody, love to invite you to my workshop on your personal growth pathway for alignment, enhancement and fulfillment. The idea of the workshop is to prepare you for personal and professional growth and to make sure that you have an effective learning plan. Why? Well, we want to prevent people who struggle to learn effectively, and that's quite a common thing I've heard from people over the years. We also want to help you with what is called, for want of a better expression, shallow listening. Sometimes we are in conversations or in learning events where we hear things but they don't register. That's shallow listening. And we also need to address the important issue of having stagnant skills. Life and work is moving really quickly nowadays, so the better we can update you, the quicker we can update you, the better. The idea is to develop a clear plan for your personal and professional development. The benefits of all of this really, well, we want to unlock your potential by discovering your learning style and so transform the way that you grow. We want to elevate your connections with people and understanding of them by mastering the art of deep listening. And we want to empower your growth by aligning your development to your true purpose. So, if you're ready to develop a clear plan for professional and personal development, comment growth below and we'll send the booking link, or just click the booking link. Look forward to seeing you at the workshop.